Class 10, Chapter 1, Real Numbers, Exercise 1.2, Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. The numbers are 140, 156, 3825, 5005, and 7429. Let us see how we can find the prime factors of a number using the long division method. Let us take the first number, which is 140. We know that a composite number can be represented as a product of its prime factors. But first, we need to find these prime factors. We will find these using the long division method. We will take the number 140 and try dividing it by the smallest prime number, which is 2. We know that 2 divides 140 exactly, and we get the answer as 70. We will move on to the next step, where we divide 70 by the smallest prime factor, 2. 2 divides 70 exactly, and we get 35. Now, we will try dividing 35 by 2, which is the smallest prime number. But 2 does not divide 35 exactly. So, we move on to the next prime number, which is 3. We can see that 35 is not divisible by 3 as well. So, we move on to the next prime number, which is 5. We know that 5 divides 35 and we get 7. Now, 7 is a prime number. So, the only prime number which can divide 7 is 7 itself. So, the prime factors of 140 are 2, 2, 5 and 7. We can represent 140 as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, which can also be written as 2 square into 5 into 7. This is how we can express 140 as a product of its prime factors. Now, let's move on to the next number, which is 156. We will find the prime factors of 156 in a similar manner by trying to divide the number by the smallest prime number at each step. So the prime factors of 156 we get are 2, 2, 3 and 13. So 156 can be represented as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, which can also be written as 2 square into 3 into 13. Moving on to the next number, which is 3825, we will use a similar method to find the prime factors of 3825. We try to divide it by the smallest prime numbers. We get the prime factors of 3825 as 3, 3, 5, 5 and 17. So 3825 can be represented as 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17, or 3 square into 5 square into 17. Moving on to the next number, which is 5005, the prime factors of 5005 will be 5, 7, 11 and 13. So it can be represented as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Our next number is 7429. The prime factors of 7429 will be 17, 19 and 23. So 7429 can be represented as 17 into 19 into 23. Therefore, we have found the prime factors of all the numbers.